grab your 10mm socket, and we're removing the 4 bolts to remove the plastic cover so that we can get to the coil packs underneath. Our scan tool is saying we have a misfire on cylinder 1, so what we are doing is unplugging the coil pack on cylinder 1 and cylinder 2, and we're going to be swapping them and seeing if we still have a problem in cylinder 1 or if it moves to cylinder 2. As you can see, I'm taking the coil pack from cylinder 2, putting in cylinder 1, taking the coil pack from cylinder 1, putting in cylinder 2, and then I plug them back in, bolt them down, and then plug the scan tool back in and see what we have. After plugging the scan tool back in, the problem did transfer from cylinder 1 to cylinder 2, so I went ahead and picked up a new coil pack and put it in cylinder 2.